I'll show you how to use the Glendinning joystick and control system. Engine's running. You'll give 2 quick presses. That puts the engines in gear. Now you have control at the jet stick, bow thruster, forward, reverse. You maneuver out of the slip, and now you want to use conventional controls and wheel. You just simply advance the controls forward, and now the control is at the steering helm. You're returning to the dock. Pull those into the center position. 2 quick presses and a single press that disengages the transmissions. And you'll give 2 quick presses, and now you're in docking mode. You do your docking maneuver. You're all back to the dock. You want to shut things down. Again, 2 quick presses and a single press that disengages the transmissions. If you found this helpful, please feel free to share and like.